Hi everyone, Tim here with TC Home Inspections, and this is your weekly home maintenance minute. Today's topic is HVAC units. There are many components of a home, and one of the more important components is your HVAC system, and that stands for heating, ventilating, and air conditioning. Well, what do we actually do during a home inspection when we evaluate these components? Well, first of all, we're talking about, in most homes in northern Michigan, gas forced air units, hot water boilers, hot water heaters. Those type of units are commonly looked at and evaluated in every home that we go into. So what do we do? What do we say about those units? Well, the first thing we do, and this is the most important, we evaluate those units for overall condition and safety. We're going to make sure they work properly and everything is good to go. In the event they don't function properly, we're going to put that in the report and let our clients know. But the age of the unit itself is not considered a defect. You can have a very old unit that's been maintained very well over the years. The homeowner has had HVAC companies come in every single year and evaluate them and service them, and those units could be in very good condition. However, we do at the same time, even though those units are older and they're working fine and they're not a defect, we do, however, want our clients to know that approximate lifespan of an HVAC unit. And I'll give you an example. In our reports, if we're doing a gas forced air furnace, we're going to put 15 to 25 years. That's a typical range for a gas forced air furnace in northern Michigan. A hot water boiler, they're going to last a little bit longer, and we're going to say 35 to 45 years. They can last a long, long time if regularly or properly maintained. And then a hot water heater is another example of an HVAC device that we inspect. We're going to say 10 to 12 years on those. So we put those in the report so that the client knows that these are approximate lifespans, real world experience that we see from our company, from local HVAC companies. But again, if it's functioning properly the day of the inspection, if it's running safely, they're not defective just because they're old. Well, this is an important topic because it comes up all the time, and I wanted to clarify it for you. If you do have any questions about how we evaluate or inspect HVAC units, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to help. And this is Tim with TC Home Inspections, and this has been your weekly home maintenance minute. We'll see you on the next video.